Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me Ryan and I'm known as Ryan PDT, and I'm proud to say I'm a proud member of BBT community. So today I traded MRNA, shorted all the way from here all the way here. Okay? The reason why I chose MRNA because that's the one that has the highest volume at the open, was a crazy mover. So it opened like 50 cent and has like 1.7 million around this area, opened below VWAP, and I said, okay, I think this is a short now since it's on the third day high. So immediately I entered it short. Yes, you can see I'm sorry I forgot to record early. I'm late for 50 seconds, so I had it short here, 35.50. I'm gonna tell you one strategy that I have, not strategy or indicator that I have, is one ATR. Like this one is one ATR. Let me remove this images. So one ATR is this one. So one ATR means it's gonna tell you how much the candle moved. So this one moved about 50 cents at the open. So I was closely watching this line that I draw, like 35.50 area. High of day was 36. It moved 50 cents and has 1.7 million. That's crazy on a first minute candle. So I immediately shorted it here. Now it's 136. So I'm like, 1-to-1 already. I took some off here and see what happens. So I said, yep, took more there. Like I'm like this video, I'm gonna tell you to add this one ATR move. One ATR move is very, very helpful. It's gonna tell you immediately how much a candle moved, how much a 1 minute candle move, or how much a candle move. So even it's 5 minutes, it's gonna tell you how much it moves. So this one moved 60 cents. So I know myself, I have more than 2-to-1 now. So I took not half. I took 10% and 10% here. I was really, really patient. 34.27. So that's the low of day. I'm closely watching. See, my cursor is there, right? 34.27. That's the low of day. I was looking at this one. It broke, right? You see that? It was printing red. It was printing crazy red. So I shorted. I took some more. I think I took half here because I now have like a $2 move. So I took 50% here. I'm sure I took another 50%. So I'm almost out. I'm almost out with my trade. Yeah, it was short. The market is kind of collapsing, so it's really easy for me to trade this short. I was kind of confident, but I felt like it's gonna. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the part I was like, should I hold more? Should I get out? I don't know what to do. It's my first time seeing this gray background color in level 2. So I don't really know what to do. So I have white here. That's my own settings. White, gray, I don't know. So I was asking myself, it goes above 33, I'm gonna get out. Yep, there you go, all out. So I think it went all the way to 32.20 something, but I was really, really happy when I was all out, because yeah, I think this is a crazy move. It's like $3.60. That's how much it moved. In 5 minutes, it shows me because I have one ATR. I have one ATR in my 5 minute as well. So yeah, I was done in just 4 minutes, right? All out. Crazy move. One of my best trade this year, I think. I was just risking 50 cent, made about $3 move. Is it $3? I don't even count. Yeah, I'm almost $3. Yeah, so I have to make a 5-minute video. That's why I'm talking so fast. So guys, please, if you haven't, please subscribe to Bearable Traders. Bearable Traders is so far the best community, I'd say, in the world. So thanks to Andrew, thanks to all the moderators and the contributors who help out BBT grow this channel. And yeah, stay green, guys. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I hope, I hope market, I don't want to say hope market collapse, but I hope market recovers. Yeah. So have a good day, everyone. Peace.